Sorotan lain, saudara, dalam acara International Conference of Infrastructure atau ICI 2025, Ketua Dewan Ekonomi Nasional Luhut Binsar Panjaitan menyinggung soal PHK di Indonesia. Berdasarkan laporan Kementerian Ketenagakerjaan, total angka PHK per 20 Mei 2025 mencapai 26.455 orang. Luhut pun mengakui hal tersebut, namun juga menyampaikan bahwa akan ada 67.000 lapangan pekerjaan sebelum akhir tahun 2025.
The people say that lay off a lot, yes, but at the same time, our prediction will come up with my slide later on, around 67,000 employee going to happen before end of this year. Labor-intensive industry very important for Indonesia. Some people said about the garment and footwear decline in Indonesia, which is not true, because we were so surprised last time that from China they relocate some of their industry to very small city in Java, like in Jawa Tengah.